Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet kids frock ideas. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to last. These crochet frogs designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique ideas. So friends, share the video with your family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they will love these latest ideas. All these articles are handmade. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs of crochet kids frock. You can design your kids frock with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet frocks collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet kids frock. All these articles are very attractive for kids. You know guys, crochet articles represent our cultural beauty. Mostly people like the crochet articles. You can see more beautiful and outclass crochet collection from my channel. Crochet articles totally washable and durable. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. These articles are easy to make, especially for crochet lovers. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so please like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.